to my channel. Today I decided to do my Boxycharm unboxing and I'm a little bit late, but that's okay. I still wanted to show you guys what I got and what I think about all the products. If you guys like these type of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments down below, and if you want to see what I got in this month's box, just keep on watching and let's get started. So I'm really excited about this because this month is all about Galaxy Glow, and that just makes me think highlighter. So let's go ahead and look at what we got. The first thing is a coupon for 20% off for, what is this, Cover FX. So that's awesome. I don't know if I'll get something, but if I ever want to, then I already have something. Okay, the first thing that I am going to get out, ooh, this is pretty. The first thing I'm gonna use or show you guys are these brushes because I just want to see like what I need to use. So these brushes are the Crown Pro Trio brush set. They retail for $29.99. And let's see, let's open them up. I believe we have received Crown brushes before and I really like them. So, and these are pink, so they're really cute. So we got a little flat, fluffy shadow brush, and then we have this big fluffier brush. Ooh, I don't know what to use this for. Maybe like a contour or a bronzer or a blush. I don't know, but it's like very fluffy, so I wouldn't use it for like anything liquidy, just like powders. And let's see, oh, this little one. I kind of want to use this for highlighter. We shall see. These are very, very, very soft, and like I said, they're really cute. I love the white and the pink on it. It's very cute. It's gonna get really, really dirty though, but it's okay. So now that I'm looking through the box, I can tell that there's not gonna be anything for my face, so I'm gonna apply my concealer because I'm not gonna wear foundation today, but I'm gonna apply my concealer and some of the powders on my face. I might use one of those brushes for the powders, so I will show you that, but I'm gonna go ahead and do all the stuff that I don't need to use these products for, and I will be right back. So guys, I just primed my skin and I decided I would show you what I use. I use the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray first, and then I applied the Pores No More Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt, and then on top of that, I applied some of the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, and I just wanted to be super glowy, look super hydrated because it is snowing, it is ugly, it's cold, and my skin is so dry, which never ever happens. So I just decided that since this is the Galaxy Glow theme, I might as well just go all glowy and nice and dewy on my skin. So I went ahead and applied my concealer and my powder, and now I'm going to use this little brush that came with Boxycharm for my contour. See how it does? And it's kind of, because of the color, I can see that it's picking up the powder kind of weird. So, oh, it feels really, really soft. That's a plus. I'm not like that impressed with the way it's applying my contour and bronzer, so maybe I will try another time and use it with something else. Yeah, it says this one's more for setting your makeup in place, and then, oh, I just dropped everything. And then it says this one can be for contouring, which I guess makes sense, but I don't like using tiny, tiny brushes like this. Well, it's not tiny, but small brushes like that for contouring. So I applied a little bit of blush, and now I'm going to move on to the next product that was in the Boxycharm, and it is this Naked Cosmetics highlight or holographic highlighter collection, which I'm so excited. And this retails for $39.99, and it comes with 6 holographic highlighter shades. So let's go ahead and look at it. I'm so excited. I love highlighter. Okay, let's see. Oh. I don't even know what I would use. Like, I was so excited, but these colors are kind of crazy. Okay, let's see. What am I gonna do with my eyes? Okay, so I had to look through the rest of the box to see what highlighter shade I was gonna use, and because this is more focused around the eyes, so the next thing that I got, I'm just gonna show you the rest of the things that I got, is this Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and this is retailing for $28, and it looks like this. And this is to apply, it's like a cream to apply on your eyelids, and this is like, you can see it, it's a very like pinky purpley shade. And then we also got this Bella Pierre Cosmetics Cosmetic Glitter. And this retails for $15. And it is just very fine, pretty glitters. And this is also purple. So I don't know if I want to go with like the purpley shade because that's very purple, or if I want to go with more of like one of the pinky shades, but I wanted to see what would go. So now you know, these are the 3 things that I got for the eyes. So I think I am going to take, let's see. Okay, I don't think these have names, but there is like the very purple shade right there. I don't know if you can even see that. Well, it's fine. It's very purple. So I think I'm gonna skip on that and go to this next one, which is still very like pink and holographic, and it has a little bit of purple in it, but I think it would be okay. And I'm gonna take this medium-sized brush and see how it goes. I'm afraid. Okay. Oh, okay, I'm seeing it now. I was very excited for this, but I don't use highlighters that are colorful like that. So like it's cool, but it's not like I'm gonna wear it all the time, so it makes me kind of sad. Okay, I don't like how this looks. This is not working out for me. Okay. This is very cool and I will keep it for like really cool, fun looks, but this is not an everyday palette, obviously. And I'm gonna have to try and fix this because it just looks like purple on my cheekbones. So I hope I don't look crazy out in the light, natural lighting. But now I'm gonna move on to the eyes, and I'm going to go ahead and just grab some brown shadow and apply that on my crease, and then try out these 2 products. This is not a makeup tutorial, so it's nothing crazy. It's just to see how these products work. Now I'm gonna use the Cover FX Shimmer Veil Cream, and I think I'm just supposed to apply, oh, that's pretty. I don't know if I'm supposed to like dab it in. I'm wondering if it'll actually stay. I'm trying to like kind of do a cut crease type of thing, see if that works. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. It's very like splotchy. I think you're just supposed to like apply some and then dab it around. Maybe I applied too much. I don't know. It's fine. I don't know how long this takes to dry, or like if it's even gonna dry. But while we're at it, I'm gonna take the little glitter, the purple glitter, and I don't wanna make a mess. But let's open it up and see. Oh boy. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the tiny brush, and well, this isn't even tiny either. Just the smaller brush, and I'm gonna take some of that purple glitter and apply it on the outer part of my eye and see how that works. Okay, we're getting fallout. I thought the cream was going to help it stick, but it's not. Maybe it like dried down already. It did. Oh my gosh, that dried so fast, which is cool. Good for them. But now I have to use a glue for the glitter. I don't really like mess around with products unless it's Boxycharm. So this is like me really struggling to figure out how to make a product work. Grab some of that glitter. I don't know. I don't really like the glitter either. It's just like very, maybe it's the brush too. Let me try a different brush to see if it packs it on any nicer. Not a fan. Sorry, Bella Pierre. Not a fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of the purple with this brush to see how it looks on the eyes. Maybe it'll look kind of cool, fix it up a little bit. Yeah, well, I can't really tell if it's actually doing anything. Oh, yeah, I can tell on the eye. Okay. I am just making a bigger mess out of this mess. The next and last thing is the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil, and it retails for $21. Let's try it out. I'm gonna try it out on my, I got it on here. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, let's do something different. Wow, that's pigmented. I'm gonna try and smoke that out a little bit. That's why it looks so messy. Oh, and it blends out really nicely. Okay, this is like my favorite thing in the entire box. I feel like it doesn't look as bad on camera as it does in person. But I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna apply my brows, apply my mascara, and I will be right back. So I did my brows, I did my mascara, and I decided that I'm gonna go in with this pinky purpley shade in the highlight palette and apply that in my inner corners. Oh, that doesn't look bad there. Looks bad on the rest of my face, but right there it looks kind of cool. Kind of ties it in together. So I added up all the products that were in this month's box, and the total comes out to $132.99. And I mean, I wasn't that impressed with this box, honestly. It was just a little too crazy for me, and it just didn't really work. It really made me struggle, and I'm not that impressed. Was it cool? Yeah, but did I need it? No. The only thing that I really did love was the eyeliner. And besides that, maybe the brushes, but I mean, still wasn't like the most amazing thing ever. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you also get Boxycharm and what you thought about the products. Maybe you like them. I don't know. Maybe it's different for everybody. But let me know in the comments down below also what other videos you guys would like to watch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye.